Hi guys, I have my other wool warehouse I'm opening. I'm going to share with you guys the rest of what I got. You can opt out of this bag at checkout if you don't want the bag. So the first thing I got is Drops Lima. It's soft. And if you know, drops can be expensive. It's wool and alpaca. I can't. $50 grams, 1.8 ounces, 100 meters, 109 yards. 67% wool. No, 65% wool, 35% alpaca. The color I have here is color number 2923. It's a pretty gold color. So I got 3 of those. Next I got the sheep cheese. I'll never say it right. River Wash. I have gotten this before. 78% cotton, 22% acrylic. It's a sport weight, I'd say it is. It's a pretty burgundy color. $50 grams, 130 meters. The color is EI SAC. The next I got Cedar Snuggly Patty Cake. It's very soft. It's a double knit, so it's a 3 weight. You can wash on tumble, cool, and lay flat to dry. Where it is 70% acrylic and 30% nylon. Color is 750. Pretty pinks. Goes to dark pink to a white to a light pink to a darker pink to the dark pink. Next I got sheep cheese frosted roll. This is also very soft. It's very expensive too. I don't buy it very much. $100 grams, 450 50 meters. 75% cotton, 38% acrylic. Love the colors of that. So I got one of those. And then I got another Sadara, different, the brown. I like this. This is very pretty. Then I got can't say that. It's that brand there. Icelandic wool. It's not the softest. And it's like a one weight. I don't like lightweights. $50 grams, 1.5 ounces, 273 yards. Very nice. So I got a couple of those. And then the last one I got was Neuro. It's a rubbing style. That's the name of it there. Made in Japan. Color number 95. 50 grams, 100 meters. It's a 4-weight. It says it's a 4-weight, but it's a rubbing style. It goes to 4 to 5. So I got a couple of these. Very pretty color. So that was the last of my wool warehouse. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.